Good morning, students. Today we are starting again biology chapter 36, chromosomal disorder, and today's topic is sex linked inheritance. Once again, today we are starting again biology chapter 36, chromosomal disorder, and today's topic is sex linked inheritance. Students, it means sex chromosome, it means generation to generation, it means together. Once again, sex, it means sex chromosome, like in male human XY, in female human XX. It means male and female human to have one pair. In male human XY, in female human XX, it means together, it means generation to generation. If sex chromosomes linked gene transfer generation to generation, which process is called sex linked inheritance. So sex linked inheritance, first of all, simple means or definition of sex linked inheritance is such characters of which the genes, it means specific DNA segment, are found on sex chromosomes. Chromosomes, it means color body of cells. Sex, it means sex chromosome, and inherited with them from one generation to the other, are none as sex linked characters, and their inheritance is called sex linked inheritance. Once again, such characters, it means such trait of which the genes are found on sex chromosome and inherited with them from one generation to the other, are known as sex linked characters, and their inheritance is called sex linked inheritance. Next, some sex link disorder, like first, color blindness, second, hemophilia. Next, some sex linked disorders or some sex linked inheritance disorder, like first, color blindness, second hemophilia. Students, they are genetic disease, but infected gene are located on X chromosome, it means sex chromosome. First is color blindness. First X linked disorder is color blindness. The person with this disease could not identify various colors such person is known as color blind. Once again, the person with this disease could not identify various color like green and red. Such person is known color blind. Next, different persons have different type of color blindness. However, red and green, mostly red and green color blindness are found more those which could not differentiated between green and red color. Next is color blindness. It means this disease is found more in males because male human to have only one X sex chromosome. Sex chromosome. Mostly females are carrier of this disease because female human have 2x6 chromosome. Once again, same condition we studied in hemophilia. This disease is found more in males because male human to have only X chromosome. Infected genes are located in X chromosome. Mostly females are carrier of this disease because female human have 2X chromosome. Next is some specific inheritance. The inheritance of this disease, it means color blindness, take place as follows. First is inheritance of color blindness in normal woman and color blind man. Once again, first inheritance is inheritance of color blindness in normal woman and color blind man. Students, remember this condition found in male, or this condition to have male, this condition to have female. C, it means color blindness. C is first letter of color blindness word. It means infected man. Female have 2X chromosome, so this female is carrier female, carrier woman, and this condition is infected woman. Once again, if infected color blindness gene in X chromosome in male humans, so male human is infected man. If color blindness infected gene are located in single X chromosome of woman is carrier woman. If infected color blindness gene are located both X chromosome in woman, so it is infected woman. So first is normal woman, next is normal woman, next is color blind man. This is parent first, this is parent second. Normal woman, it means XX. Color blind man, it means XCY. Next process is meiosis, so forms gamete. First X, second X, first XC, next Y. They are gamete. If female X chromosome to show pairing, male XC, so progeny. Second condition is XY. Third is XC. Last is XY. This is carrier daughter or carrier woman This is normal son. This is carrier daughter. This is normal son. It is first condition. Second is inheritance of color blindness in carrier woman. First is normal, second condition carrier woman and color blind man. First is parent first, parent second. First is carrier woman, so carrier woman. Second is color blind man, so color blind man. First is XCX carrier woman, XCY. Next process is meiosis, so forms gamete, first gamete, second gamete, male first gamete, male second gamete. They are gametes. If XC of male and XC of female, so progeny is XC. Second is XCY. Third is XC, and last is XY. This is infected woman. This is XCY. It means infected son, carrier woman or daughter, normal son. Once again, infected woman or daughter, carrier woman or infected daughter. It means when inheritance color blindness in carrier woman and color blinded man, so infected woman or infected daughter, infected son, carrier woman and normal son. It means in this condition, father of a color blind father, woman should always be color blind and her mother carrier of the disease. Once again, father colorblind, but if father colorblind, mother carrier, so woman is infected to this disease. It means color blindness. Once again, if father is colorblind and mother is carrier, so always woman or daughter is infected of this disease. Next, third condition is, third situation is inheritance. It means generation of color blindness It is a genetic disease related to specific colors like red and green in normal man and carrier woman. Once again, inheritance of color blindness in normal man and carrier woman. So parent first, parent second. First, normal man, second, carrier woman. Students, normal man, it means XY is normal man. First is XY. Next, carrier woman is XCX. Next process is meiosis, and all of you do this checkerboard and give the result in comment box. Fourth condition is inheritance of color blindness of normal man. It means man is normal and color blind woman. Color blind woman, normal man. So parent first, parent second. First is normal man. Second is color blind woman. In this normal man, it means XY. Color blind and woman, it means XC. Next process is meiosis. Students, all of you do this checkerboard, this flowchart, and give the result of this checkerboard in comment box. Next condition is inheritance of color blindness woman. First is color blindness or of color blindness of woman is blind and color blind man. It means both man and woman are color blind. So parent first, parent second. First is color blind man. Second is color blind woman. Students, color blind man, it means color blind man or infected man. It means color blind woman or infected woman. It means XCY. It means XC. Next process is meiosis. Students, do the flowchart, do the checkerboard, and give the answer in comment box. If any problem, tell me in comment box. So thanks. Next day we start next X or sex linked inheritance or sex linked disorder is hemophilia. So thanks, have a nice day.